Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're diving into the Wyze Video Doorbell V2. A budget-friendly option that promises sharp imagery and smart compatibility. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk installation. The Wyze Doorbell V2 is a wired option, which means you'll need a transformer for power. The setup process is straightforward, but if you're not comfortable with low-voltage wiring, you might want to call in the pros. Once installed, the doorbell boasts a sleek black finish and a compact design, making it less obtrusive than some of its competitors. It's IP65 weatherproof rated, ensuring durability in various conditions. The camera captures 2K video with a 103-degree field of view, delivering sharp imagery during the day. Now, let's talk functionality. The Wyze Doorbell V2 offers local and cloud storage options, giving you flexibility in how you manage your footage. It also supports voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant, as well as integration with third-party devices via IFTTT. But here's where things get interesting. While the doorbell performs admirably during the day, its low light performance leaves something to be desired. On cloudy days or at night without adequate lighting, the imagery can appear shadowed, making it difficult to identify visitors. So, what's the verdict? Well, if you're on a tight budget and have a well-lit entryway, the Wyze Video Doorbell V2 could be a solid option for you. It offers impressive features at a fraction of the cost of its competitors. However, if you're dealing with unlit entryways or demand top-notch low-light performance, you might want to explore other options. That's all for today's review, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth tech reviews. Until next time, stay curious and stay tech-savvy.